Welcome to Fix My English. I'm Alex.
And I'm Emma. Today, one phrase, one mistake. We're talking about if I were you.
Almost every learner gets this wrong. By the end of this episode, you won't.
Here's the mistake we hear all the time. If I was you.
That word was. It feels natural, right? Because I was tired, I was at home, totally correct. But inside this phrase,
It's wrong.
why? Because this sentence is not real. I am not you. It's imaginary. So English uses a special form called the subjunctive.
That is very interesting.
And in the subjunctive, we always say were, not was.
So the correct sentence is, if I were you, I would apologize.
And let's get some real examples. Emma, you have a job interview tomorrow.
Nervous? Very.
If I were you, I would practice your answers tonight.
And you can also use the negative. If I were you, I wouldn't wear anything too casual.
Memorize these two patterns. You can use both phrases. If I were you, I would do it. If I were you, I wouldn't hesitate.
That's great advice for our listeners.
Your turn. Your friend wants to quit their job with no backup plan.
I'd say,
Your
if I were you, I wouldn't quit until I had another job.
quick recap. If I were you, always were, never was. It's unreal, so we use the subjunctive. Follow with would or wouldn't. Quick.
Share this with someone learning English and comment below. What advice would you give using if I were you?
That's it for today's episode of Fix My English.
If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe to Zoyo Daily English.
See you next time.
time.